Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Prime Video not working on your LG Smart TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to launch Prime Video but it's not working. How do you actually go ahead about fixing it? Now the first thing that you can do is that you could actually go ahead and unplug your TV, leave it unplugged for about 60 seconds, and then replug it back in. What that does is that it does a soft reset of your LG Smart TV. If that doesn't work, the next thing that you can do is that you can highlight the Prime Video app, press and hold the middle button here, and it's going to bring you to a page that looks like this. You're going to go ahead and highlight the trash can above Prime Video and delete it. After you delete it, go ahead and reinstall it and see if that works. Now, if that still doesn't work, the other thing that you can do is go into the gear icon on the upper left-hand corner, and then you want to highlight the Wi-Fi settings. Just simply make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi. Now, if you're connected to Wi-Fi, the last thing that you can do is that you can click on the gear icon, click on the gear icon again, and then from here, you want to go ahead and scroll down to where it says General, and then scroll down again to where it says System. Next, you can click on Reset to Initial Settings. So what this is going to do is that it's going to do a factory default reset of your entire TV. So do this as a last resort. Hopefully the other 3 solutions will help you out. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.